In today's video, I'll show you how to edit a task in Todoist. Editing is something you'll do all the time. Plans change, details get added, and your tasks need to keep up. The good news is Todoist makes it quick and flexible, with more than one way to do it. Let's start with the fastest method. Right-click on any task in your list to open the context menu. Right at the top, you'll see Edit, with the keyboard shortcut Command-E next to it. Go ahead and click Edit. This opens the task in edit mode, where the title becomes a text field you can change directly. From here, you can do a lot more than just rename it. You can adjust the due date, set a priority, add a label, or drop in extra notes, all from the same panel. Anything about the task can be reshaped to match what you actually need. When you're happy with your changes, you simply save them and the task updates instantly in your list. There's also an even quicker shortcut worth knowing. If you hover over a task, you can click directly on its name to open the full detail view, where you can edit everything in one place, including comments and subtasks. Both routes get you to the same result, so use whichever feels natural. Editing tasks well is what keeps your whole system trustworthy. When your tasks always reflect reality, you can rely on them completely, and that's the real point of staying organized. So don't be afraid to go back and refine your tasks as things change. A quick edit here and there keeps everything accurate and easy to manage. Give it a try in your own Todoist. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.